and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is a life vlog video. So I'm just going to give you a rundown of what all is in this video so that you'll know what's going on. Okay, so we're going to start off with my little grandbaby, Knox. He's getting his hair cut. And then there's a scene with Knox playing with Charlie Mae, my granddaughter. Then the next thing is some food and some people around the church. It's Pastor Appreciation Day at our church. Let's see. And then there's Knox and Charlie Mae again. Then we're celebrating my daughter Jennifer's birthday at my house. And my mom is in there and my sister Tanya and her husband David. There's a scene or two of him there. And of course my husband Hugh. And my daughter Jennifer and my 2 grandkids. It's her 30th birthday. So then I show a couple of pictures. There's this house down the street from where I live that has some Halloween decorations. And there's a lot of houses around here that are decorating really pretty. But I took a picture of this one because it was the first house or the first time I'd ever seen these really tall skeleton characters and stuff. And I just thought that was so cool. But now that I've been driving around town and things, I'm seeing them more often. So I don't know. Maybe it's something that's been out for a while. I don't know. But I'm really fascinated with them. And they have a werewolf. I love the werewolf. Let's see. Then I show a little bit of my crochet project where I'm at for the magazine Crochet Foundry that will be going out in spring of 2024. So that's fun. Let's see. Oh, then I have some pictures and a few videos of our trip to Branson, Missouri for a minister's retreat. And that was so much fun. I met so many pastors and so many wives, and it was just a blast. And I did some shopping. Let's see. Oh, and before we get there, we stop off at this place called, it's here in Arkansas, and it's the Natural Bridge. And that was the first time I'd ever seen that. And on our way there, there were a couple of camels. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. I did not expect to see some camels in Arkansas. So anyway, I thought that was really cool. And I thought I would share that with you guys. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and dive right into this video. And I've got it set to some music. So have fun. Sorry, girl, my back hurts. for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.